Music. Credit Coach by SmartCredit, your credit score solution. Welcome to my Credit Coach review. This tool helps you monitor, manage, and boost your credit health. All links and details are below. Let's explore its features and how it meets your financial needs. Credit Coach is more than just credit monitoring. It gives you access to your credit score, detailed reports, and actionable insights to understand your credit factors. Its interactive credit score builder creates personalized improvement plans based on your current situation. This makes it perfect for those seeking meaningful progress with clear steps. The Money Manager feature consolidates all your accounts, bank, credit cards, loans, into one dashboard. Track your spending and manage your finances efficiently. Concerned about credit report errors? Dispute them directly through the system, saving you time and hassle. Real-time alerts notify you of credit report changes, helping detect fraud or new accounts. Identity theft insurance and restoration services provide added peace of mind. Credit Coach is ideal for proactive credit management. It's perfect for those seeking convenient, hands-on tools. Whether you're buying a home, a car, or just want to take control, Credit Coach supports your journey. Credit Coach by SmartCredit is a versatile and user-friendly platform for anyone serious about improving their financial standing. Take charge of your credit with confidence. Check the links below to explore Credit Coach today.